Hello everyone, my name is Rajkumar Anand and today I will be presenting an important topic, the mindset behind the criminal behavior and the factors that leads individuals down this path. We will explore not only the causes, reason for these actions but also the role of government in addressing these issues and the possible solutions we can implement to prevent such occurrences in future. Through this presentation, I hope the shed light on how we as a society can better understand the complexities behind crime and work together towards building a safer, more inclusive community. Every criminal has a story, an untold journey of struggles, choices, and the consequences. But what drives a person to cross the line into crime? Is it depression, revenge, or something deeper?
The strain theory, which is that everybody wants the same kind of things in life. They want money, they want success, they want stability, but some people have less opportunity. So living in the kind of neighborhoods I was talking about, a lack of a role model. So because of that, because of the stress and the strain of that, they're willing to take shortcuts and they're willing to take risks, i.e. commit crime.
Criminals don't wake up one day and decided to commit a crime. Often it's a long series of circumstances that shape their mindset. Poverty, lack of education, and toxic environments can make crime seem like only option. इसका मतलब कि अपराधी अचानक अपराध नहीं करते, बल्कि परिस्थितियाँ उन्हें इस दिशा में धकेलती हैं। गरीबी, शिक्षा की कमी और खराब माहौल उन्हें अपराध की ओर धकेलते हैं।
My name's Colin Atkinson. I'm the program leader for our brand new BA Honours Criminology and Psychology here at UWS. Criminology is interested in behaviour, about why people commit crime and why people stop committing crime. Psychology gives us the tools to answer these questions. Crime takes place in society. Although much of psychology looks at individual behaviour, social psychology looks at groups, and this can be a real help in understanding group offending such as gang violence. Psychology has a really strong focus on how we can influence or change behaviour, and that can be a real help for criminologists who are looking to reduce crime, help victims, or just change society for the better. If this sounds like it's of interest to you, clearing is open for our brand new programme, and we look forward to hopefully seeing you here with us at UWS to study criminology and psychology.
From childhood trauma to societal pressures, these factors contribute to shaping a criminal mindset. इसका मतलब कि बचपन में मिले आघात से लेकर समाज का दबाव और ये सभी अपराधी मानसिकता को आकार देते हैं. But what pushes someone to commit the crime? Often it's desperation for money, for respect or for survival. अपराध अक्सर निराशा और मजबूरी में किया जाता है. जब व्यक्ति को कोई और रास्ता नहीं दिखता तो वो अपराध की ओर बढ़ जाता है. So, how can we prevent this? The government plays a crucial role. Law enforcement can maintain order, but it's the social programs that address the root causes, like education, job, training, rehabilitation. Programs give individuals a chance at a better life, steering them away from crime. इसका मतलब कि सरकार कानून व्यवस्था तो बना सकती है, लेकिन अपराध के मूल कारणों को दूर करने के लिए शिक्षा, नौकरी, प्रशिक्षण और पुनर्वास कार्यक्रम जरूरी है. टू क्रिएट अ सेफर सोसाइटी, वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन सॉल्यूशंस दैट गो बियॉन्ड पनिशमेंट, रिहैबिलिटेशन ओवर retribution, opportunity over oppression.
Who's born in poverty have free will to not be a criminal. If most of the people in prison came in below the poverty line. So there's some sociological force operating there.
So we can then, who were fortunate enough not to face those same circumstances, who are not incarcerated, can look at these incarcerated people and instead of saying we must keep them away from society, welcome them back.
So that's called restorative justice.
इसका मतलब कि दूसरा मौका और सही मार्गदर्शन मिलने पर अपराधी फिर से अपराध की ओर नहीं लौटते. पुनर्वास और शिक्षण महत्वपूर्ण समाधान.
I'm continually motivated just by time with my family, time with my kids, and that keeps me going every day. I've worked a lot of really wonderful jobs. I didn't escape any rat race. I think people like to say they escaped working with rats. I don't think that's like a nice way to talk about former colleagues. I had great relationships with them, but I worked a lot of long and difficult hours, and working as my own as a solopreneur, I'm home with my family, I'm home with my kids, and so I'm taking them to school and I'm picking them up every day, and that always keeps me going even on tough days.
The mindset of a criminal is complex, but change is possible. With the right support, those who have fallen into crime can find a way back. Together, we can create a society that focuses not only on a punishment, but on prevention and redemption. इसका मतलब कि अपराधी मानसिकता को बदलना कठिन है, लेकिन सही समर्थन और मार्गदर्शन से यह संभव है। हमें एक ऐसा समाज बनाना होगा जहां सजा से ज़्यादा सुधार पर ध्यान दिया जाए। It's time to act. We can't change the past, but we can shape the future. इसका मतलब कि भविष्य को बेहतर बनाने के लिए हमें आज ही कदम उठाना होगा। ऐसे और भी बेहतरीन वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें।